A 2.0 gram sample of a mixture containing sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate and sodium sulfate is gently heated till the evolution of CO2. So CO2 gas is evolved. The volume of CO2 at 750 Hg pressure and 298 Kelvin is measured to be 123.9 ml. So how much CO2 gas is evolved? 123.9. Next, a 1.5 gram of the same sample requires 150 ml 1 by 10 m HCl for complete neutralization. Then calculate the percentage of Na2SO4 in the original mixture. See the reaction. So what is the sample? Sample contains sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate and sodium sulfate. How many grams is given? 2 grams is given. So sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, sodium sulfate gives to CO2 gas. Its weight is equal to how many grams? 2 grams. Next, so in this mixture only sodium bicarbonate decomposes, then gives CO2 gas. Remaining do not give CO2 gas. So only NaHCO3 on decomposition gives to Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2. So according to balancing equation, what is that? This is 1:2 ratio. 1:2 ratio. Now by given data, pressure, volume and temperature, by ideal gas equation we can calculate the number of moles of CO2. So first find out number of moles of CO2. So number of moles is equal to PV by RT. So here P pressure 750 divided by 760. So it is converted to ATM. Next 1 by R value 0.0821 liters atmosphere per mole per Kelvin and temperature is 1 by 298 Kelvin. So by simplification approximately we will get 5 into 10 power minus 3 moles of CO2. So CO2 is 5 into 10 power minus 3. Then what about NaCO3? So that is equal to 2 into 5 into 10 power minus 3. That is equal to 0.01 moles. Next, then find the weight of NaHCO3. So mass of NaHCO3 is equal to, its molecular weight is 84 into 0.01, that is equal to 0.84 grams. So out of 2 grams, this is how many grams? 0.84. Then go to percentage. Percentage of NaHCO3 is equal to 0.84 divided by total 2 grams into 100. Then you will get 42% of NaHCO3. Next, see the second data. By the second data, sample treated with HCl that undergoes complete neutralization reaction. So what is the sample? Na2CO3 and NaHCO3 plus Na2SO4. But only these two can react with HCl, then gives neutralization reaction. See here. So in 2 grams mixture has how many? 0.01 mole of NaHCO3 according to above data. But in this sample 1.5 gram is given for neutralization reaction. So in 1.5 is equal to how many moles of NaHCO3? By cross multiplication, so 0.01 into 1.5 divided by 2, then you will get 0.0075 moles. Next, so what is that? This is NaH moles. NaH moles is equal to 0.5 into 0.5 millimoles converted to millimoles. Next, in the sample, for neutralization reaction, HCl can react with NaHCO3 and reacts with Na2CO3 also. So in given data, HCl how much is given for neutralization? 150 ml and 1 by 10 molarity. So it is converted to moles. How many moles? 15 moles. 15 moles. In 15 moles, already 7.5 millimoles of NaHCO3 is consumed. Next, by the balancing equation, this is how many moles involved? 2 moles involved. So if it is 7.5, this is how much? 3.75. That is 7.5 by 2. then you will get 3.75 millimoles. So then next find the weight, Na2CO3 weight. So 3.75 moles into 106, that is millimoles. So into 10 power minus 3. Then you will get 0.3975 grams. Next, so one is Na8CO3 is completed. Next, Na2CO3. So find the percentage of Na2CO3. 0.3975 divided by how many? Sample is 1.5. This is into 2. So how much you will get? 26.5 percentage. Next, what about remaining third one? Third one, Na2SO4. That is equal to 100 minus remaining other percentage. Then you will get 31.5 percentage.